Every journey has chapters, and for us, this is the next one. Behind these doors is something more than just a workshop. It's the start of something bigger. A space forged from vision, determination, and countless hours of dreaming. This is where ideas take shape and adventures are born. The road ahead is wide open, and it all starts now.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the surprise I've been hiding from you for the last few weeks. This is our new garage. This is where we will tackle the restoration of the Pajero. It's empty now, it's very echoey, but we have a ton of space for all kinds of activities. This will give us a good base where we can work on our future projects. Apart from the main place here, we also have a little side room, which will be like a little office or where you can have your coffee and relax a little bit, maybe a little bit of extra storage. It's not necessary, but it's nice to have. Huge windows, good lighting.
Alright guys, so this is the new workshop. I'm trying to keep the echo down a little bit. But I think there are a few words that need to be said, how this whole thing came to be and why I'm here now. So almost 2 years ago now, we inspected the chassis of my Pajero and found out that it's in a very bad state and it needs a full restoration before the car can go back on the road. So at that time I started to look for a shop which is in a remote area like this one, fairly complicated. I didn't want to bother someone else with it because I'll be needing a lift for at least 2 or 3 months constantly, and that's a big burden even for a friend of mine who maybe has a lift or something. So I started to look around, and beginning of this year I came across this place and had a look at it, fell in love with it, and the whole process took like 2 months to get all the paperwork for it and everything, and now we're here. So this not only will establish me to restore the Pajero, but also will allow me to make great content for you guys. I know this channel is in the very early stages, so I would really appreciate you guys if you subscribe and leave a comment and tell me what you would like to see in this place here. First off, we will start with painting the floors. The building has been renovated over the last 2 years, but they didn't touch the floors, so we will do that. What else is there to say? Maybe we talk about the layout a little bit. When you drive straight on from the gate, somewhere right around here, as a straight shot, there will be a 2-post lift, and right next to it, I want to have one of these smaller lifts, those mobile ones, that will go right there. And if we come over here, along this entire wall, I want to put parking space, like 5 meters off the wall, maybe almost this distance here. And then a straight shot, this will be parking. Maybe in the future we get some of these 4-post lifts in here and have like 10 cars here, a lift, 3 more cars there. That corner will be like the dirty corner where we do the welding and shit like that. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. please leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know what you'd like to see here. It's a huge possibility for me being in a spot where I can do this. So let me know what you'd like to see. Give me your ideas. What would be the best layout for this shop? We have tons of space, a lot of opportunity. So next week we'll get to the floors in the next video. I hope you like this one. It's a short, it's a short info for you guys. So let me know, and peace out.